Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another episode in my tested series. Today, friends, we are testing the Kimafun wireless microphone headset. So, my friends, let's get cracking. Alright, so first things first, it's 2.4 gigahertz rechargeable, reusable, automatic matching, and wide compatibility. Inside the box, we've got a manual, short and sweet. We've got a connector that looks like it works with a PC. Interesting to test that on the laptop. 3.5 millimeter connector and a couple of windscreens. Y adapter so that you can hear yourself when it's plugged into your phone. A headset so that you can use it at your PC as well. Charging cable, belt clip, the lapel mic, the transmitter, you can tell because it has a place to plug in either headset, and the receiver so it can plug into your phone or whatever device you use it with. A nice bonus about the charging cable is it's a Y splitter, so you can do them both off one cable. Slick. Alrighty, friends, so I have plugged it in. I'm using my Galaxy S9. When I hit record on the video, it said, hey, it is recording through an external microphone. Notice when you turn them on, they blink. When the two connect, then you've got a solid blue light. This is the belt clip. Before you install it, make sure you figure out which way it opens. Notice it opens down at the bottom. So then I can slide it on like this, and it pushes up the device, and then you can clip it in your pocket, and you're good to go. Now, the nice thing about the headset is no matter which way I'm looking, that mic is in the same spot. So once I've got my volume levels perfect, I don't ever have to mess with it again. So now let's switch to the lapel mic and see what we think of it. Alrighty, friends, so I have swapped it out. So now I have the lapel mic. I can take this one off. You can see it's as easy as just unplugging one and swapping to the other. It still has the volume controls and everything like that. You can also, when you plug it into your phone, I've got it directly plugged in right now because I cannot monitor my voice because I'm over here. But if you had somebody recording for you, this lets you go two in so you can have headphones out so they can tell you if your volume levels are where you want them to be. Alrighty, friends, so I have plugged it in to the USB port, and it just said there is a DSP device that it found the driver automatically. And you can see I just plugged in the receiver and transmitter, and they're connected. So I do my recordings with Camtasia, and as you can see right there is the USB plug-and-play sound device. So let's switch to that audio and see what we can learn. Alrighty, friends, so we are recording wirelessly using the Kimafun wireless microphone system. You can see that it is an Amazon choice item. You can see how you can plug it into different devices. This is actually using an amp. Here they are showing us doing it on a PC like I am right now, and how the splitter works. Those are the devices. They charge in 3 to 4 hours, and you can use them for 6 to 8 hours. It shows how sweet it works on your head, like I'm wearing it right now, or on a lapel. Alright, friends, so I'm going to take it back to the PC, and let's build this video and check the audio. So my friends, there you have it. That is the real audio quality. I did not adjust anything. You could tell that when I was recording at the PC, I had my mouth a little too close and we had a few pops. You can also tell that when my room is running without this, there's all kinds of ambient noise that is annoying, and that's why these wireless mics are so priceless. Alright, friends, so that's how easy it is to use the lapel mic and the headphone mic and connect it to a PC and record your audio wirelessly there as well. Totally recommend these. I will have a link down in the description. And of course, friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.